Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We are on Monday the 7th of November 2022. Looking across crypto markets so far today, how are they playing out? Bitcoin quite interesting here at a pretty key level overhead, it must be said. This is a level we've had on our charts now for some time, and it was looking likely that we were going to see a breakthrough on Thursday, Friday last week, but you can see just haven't been able to get through. Knocked on the door of 21,500, but then that high that we came through at around 21,250 on the previous week is also the high of the day today. You can see that on BTC. And moving lower as we speak, so it's looking likely a move back down into the 20k handle is on the cards, or could be on the cards. Maybe first we'll stop at around 2400. That was one of the recent highs when we did manage to break through the 20k handle. So maybe around 2400 first, which is just below where the low of the day is here. But 20k is that target, I think, now for bears. Ripple has basically faded the move we saw on Thursday last week, so moving back low into 0.4445 at the minute. Litecoin heading north continues to look pretty good. It's been able to sustain this breakout, and a move into the 75 area now is where the bulls are going to be targeting. You can see it's been really choppy in recent times, but just slowly edging higher. Watch out though, because that move, if Bitcoin and Ethereum do move lower, then there's not really too much that's going to be supporting Litecoin to continue this rally high, so you might get a sharp drop lower there. Looking at Ethereum though, it's been pretty solid though, above a key level at 1550, so that continues to hold. If we don't see a move below 1550, and you can see the current daily bar just sitting above that with the low of the day, just sitting below that on the low of the day. So we've found a bounce in there, potentially a higher low, in here as well, following on from the most recent one around 1500. If they can hold that, looking promising for the bulls for a move back to retest 1700. That's a wrap for today's session brief for cryptos. I'll post this inside the crypto chat, and any further talk will be inside there throughout the rest of the day. Till next time, all the best with your trading, and bye for now.